Hi everybody, today we're going to be talking about finding the mean of a data set, or as most people know it, the average. Okay, so in statistics, generally they give a data set as just a set of points. Okay, and in statistics we usually call these points x's. Although some textbooks may call them y's, which that's fine also. But here we have n data points. That's what this n stands for. So this would be the first data point, this would be the second data point, this would be the third data point, and x to the n is actually the last data point. All these dots here in the middle just signify that this would be the fourth data point all the way up to the one before the last one. So all n means is the number of data points. So n is the number of data points we have. Okay, and most people were taught how to find the average in grade school, but we'd like to get comfortable with the notation that we use in statistics. And we usually denote the mean like this, which we call this x bar. Okay, so whenever you see an X with a little bar over it, you know we're talking about the mean of the data set. And this is how we find it. X bar equals, what we want to do is take all of our numbers from our data set and add them up. So I'm going to take the first number in our data set and add it with the second number in our data set, and so on and so forth until we get to the last data point. Okay, x to n is our last data point. So now we want to take that sum of all those data points and we want to divide it by the number of data points that are in our set, which is n. Okay, and let's go ahead and show a little example. Okay, so let's just show an example, and I'll say this is my data set: 3, 5, 6, 4, and 5. Okay, so we have 5 points in our data set, so our n is equal to 5. So to find the average, I put x bar equals, and what I want to do is add up all of these numbers in my data set. So it would be 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5, all divided by the number of data sets we have, or number of points in our data set, which is 5. Okay, so let's add this up quickly. That's a 10 right there. That's another 10, which gives me 20 plus the 3. So I have 23 divided by 5. So just doing some division here, 5 goes into 23, just less than 20 times would be 4, with 3 left over, so 3 over 5. So basically, the average of this data set is 4.6. Check out my other videos on how to find the mean of a data set using your calculator, your TI-83 or TI-84. Thanks so much for listening. Have a nice day.